I'm so excited one more time today to share with you this video, but it's just a motivation for everyone watching my videos and want to know if pay per call is still working. I have someone that just texts me on Skype. He's not even one of my students. He's one of my subscribers. He made over $5,000 just using pay per call affiliate marketing. He was promoting on a platform like some CPA offers, and he found out there were some offers that was like some pay per call offer, and he didn't know how to start with pay per call. And he just searched on YouTube and he found my videos and he started running ads. Guys, you will be surprised. This guy made $5,000 just by using only $200 in Google Ads. That's incredible. That's crazy. He made over $5,000. And when he texted me, I think it was like someone that tried to maybe get in touch with me and try to tell me what I want to say, what I want to hear. But he was someone legit. He's a web developer. He developed some website, create some landing page, and run ads using a platform named Click Dealer. And inside of Click Dealer, he find other offers that he can promote. And these offers, there were some pay-per-call offer among them. So he made over 5,000, guys. That's very impressive. And I was asking him, is it possible to showcase your result with my audience, the people that watch my videos and my students? He said it's okay. He just want to know if he can promote some offers on Facebook, if he will not get banned. But let me tell you what happened to him so you don't make the same mistakes. This is why he reached out to me to ask me some advice. He was promoting an offer. It was like a flight booking offers. He made like over 5,000 with this offer, and he was making a mistake maybe on his landing page, because when you're promoting offer, which is affiliate marketing offers, always put a disclaimer at the very bottom of your page or on the footer menu of your page, where you say this website or this page is not endorsed by Facebook, or is not an affiliation with Facebook, or something that show Facebook that you are the only one responsible for every visitor that's gonna come to your page. So he didn't have this on his page. Facebook, YouTube, it was not Facebook, it was Google. Google shut down the ad, but he already made this amount that I said. So just to show you how powerful it is, this business model. Pay per call is a business that can bring you a lot of money. Tomorrow I will make a video with all his text with me on Skype. I will show you all the text and the screenshot that is sent to me, and you will see it's legit. This guy is making 5,000. He made way more than 5,000. He made over 6,000 and more because he promoted other offers, which is some CPA offers. But among of all these money that he has, 5,000 of these are from pay per call offers related to flight booking offers that is promoted. So guys, just to boost you, my training, the link is in the description. If you want to know how to start making your first $500 after watching this video, click on the first link on the description. You will learn step by step what is pay per call affiliate marketing and all the strategy, the steps to take to make your first $500 per day just using pay per call affiliate marketing. Just imagine you find an offer that just for one click, one converted click, you just spend like something like $2 or $3 just for converted phone calls. Just to get any phone calls you get, which is converted, I mean phone calls which is well targeted, costs you $3. Just imagine this company pay you $100 for every converted phone calls. So just imagine that. Just for one moment, imagine that. If you spend $300, that's gonna be $100 times $300. $100 It's every $3 bring you $100. So it's like you will have 100 phone calls with your 300 budget. That means for 100 phone calls you will multiply that by 100 that you will get paid. That's gonna be $10,000. It's not impossible, guys. When I say that, some of you say, wow, this guy is dreaming. But I have a lot of people on this channel that are making money secretly. They never talk or never share their testimony. But this guy just reach out to me, say, hey, Vanel, this is my story. And he made a lot of money. I have some of you here who use like Facebook Marketplace or other traffic source. And I know that you're making money using my strategy. For you who just joined this channel for your first time, click the first link on the description to have my training. And my training, oh, sorry guys, the price increase. It's only $200 for now. Because my training get attention and a lot of people buying the training, and I have all the feedbacks. They are really satisfied about it. So click the first link on the description. Get it when it's still time to get it at this price, because the price may increase while I'm talking. So it was your friend as always, Vanel. Bye-bye.